Gender and development, a crucial aspect of societal progress, encompass and integration of gender perspectives into the planning, implementation, and evaluation of policies and programs. It acknowledges the diverse needs, experience, and contribution of individuals based on their gender identities. Today, I delve into the significant challenge and strategy to effective gender mainstream in development initiatives. It is essential to understand that the gender is not synonymous with the woman. It encompasses the roles, responsibilities, and expectation society assigned to individuals based on their perceived sex. Gender norms and stereotypes often perpetuate inequality, limiting opportunities for both men and women. Therefore, addressing gender disparities required a multifaceted approach that challenges integrated bias and promote inclusivity in development discourse. Integrating gender perspectives is not merely a matter of equity but a pragmatic strategy of achieving sustainable outcomes. Women who constitute of significant proportion of the global population play pivotal roles in household, communities, and economics, yet that often face systemic barriers such as limited access of education, healthcare, and economic resource by empowering women and promoting gender equality. Societies and can unlock immense potential of innovation, productivity, and social cohesion. However, achieving gender equality is not without its challenge, deeply entrenched patriarchal structures, discriminatory laws and practice, and cultural attitude pose significant obstacle to progress. However, interacting factors such as race, class, ethnicity, and sexual orientation compound inequalities faced by marginalized group. Therefore, addressing gender disparities requires a nuanced understanding of interpreting identities and experience. Effective gender mainstreaming involves incorporating gender analysis into every stage of the development process, from needs assessment to policy formulation and implementation. The entails recognizing gender-specific vulnerabilities and capacities, ensuring equitable access to resources and opportunities, and challenging discriminatory practice and attitude. Additionally, it requires fostering partnership with diverse stakeholders, including civil society, organization, academia, and grassroots movement to amplify voice and drive change. Furthermore, sustainable development goals cannot be achieved without addressing the root cause of gender inequality and includes disseminating structural barriers such as unequal access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities, as well in challenging cultural norms that perpetuate gender-based violence and discrimination, investing in women empowerment, including access, protective rights, and economic opportunities is not only a matter of justice but also catalyst of social progress and economic development. Therefore, gender and development are extremely linked with gender equality, serving and cornerstone of sustainable development. By mainstreaming gender perspectives into policy and program addressing systemic inequalities and empowering individuals of all genders, society can unleash a full potential of their population and create a most just, equitable, and prosperous world